Tonight on It's the Law, we're talking about Bibles in hotel rooms. Even if customers complain, Governor Nathan Deal made it clear it's okay since the state is not supplying the books. Here to weigh in on the legality of this issue is attorney Adam Peoples. Adam, thank you for coming on the show tonight.
Thank you for having me.
Now, let's just do a quick recap for people who maybe haven't seen or heard the story.
Sure.
The Georgia Department of Natural Resources removed Bibles from hotel rooms and cabins after a guest complained. Then Governor Deal said today, put them back. They're not paid for by the state. And he said, quote, a Bible in a bedside table does not constitute a state establishment of religion. Now, from a legal standpoint, why do you think DNR went ahead and removed those books in the first place?
Because it's cheaper. I mean, it's obviously cheaper just to comply than it is to stand firm and fight it in court.
What could a customer have said or done? Could they have filed a lawsuit over it?
Probably. This is just one of those areas of law that I'm not very proud of. And yes, somebody probably could have filed a suit to say that somehow having the Bible present in the room was some form of establishment or I don't know, endorsement by the state of a religion, which I don't think is what happened here, but that's what is being alleged, presumably.
Now, the governor made that comment on it, and he said, you know, it's okay to have them because we're not supplying the books. From a legal standpoint, did he make the right move?
I think so, yeah. Legally, I think he covered his bases when he said, the rest of that quote was, I think that other religions can give books in for free, literature. They can make gifts, and by doing that, he allowed other religions to make gifts, and not necessarily only Christians. There was the presence of only the Bible, but he said other groups can also make contributions, and by doing that, he kind of covered his bases. But more importantly, I think he's protecting what I think should be the case in the first place.
Now, obviously, DNR said they were investigating. Do you think the investigation is going to go any further at this point from a legal standpoint?
I mean, there are a ton of cases. I mean, Bibles have been taken out of schools. They've been taken off of posters. There's this creeping kind of reduction of the Bible in modern society, and I have no idea how far it's going to go, but I think it's gone far enough.
All right. Well, thank you so much for weighing in. Always interesting, and thanks for coming on the show.
Yeah.
And if you have a legal question, let us know about it. Send us an email to itsthelaw@41nbc.com, and we'll answer your question here on the air.